Hi guys, today I'll show you the damage of the Photon sniper fighters at the different rarity levels. In addition, whether it is worth improving on Mythical. It kills someone with 2 body or 2 headshots. It kills someone with 2 body or 2 headshots. It kills with 1 head or 2 body shots. It only takes 1 head or 1 body shot. Now I'm showing a little fight between me and my friend. He doesn't attack me because we want to see the damage done by the sniper fighters. Now I'll show you a few more kills to show how strong the sniper fighters are. Make sure you have subscribed to Meldude177MD and subscribe to me with pleasure.
Thanks for watching.